Welcome to this tutorial. Mind Alchemy is excited to introduce a new series on Azure Data Factory as part of this YouTube channel. Azure Data Factory plays a crucial role in the data analytics workflow, enabling the extraction, transformation, and loading of data from various sources into their respective targets. Throughout this series, we will explore its key functionalities, best practices, and real-world applications to help you streamline your data processing pipelines effectively. That is the core purpose of Azure Data Factory, to facilitate seamless data movement and transformation. This video serves as an introduction to Azure Data Factory, where we will discuss its key concepts and understand its role in the data ecosystem. We will also quickly create an Azure Data Factory instance to get started. In the upcoming videos, we will demonstrate how to use Azure Data Factory to transform your data efficiently and integrate it into your analytics workflow. Master AI effortlessly with our channel, covering Python, free AI tools, data engineering, generative AI, cloud fundamentals, and more, perfect for beginners, researchers, academics, and professionals. Subscribe now, hit like, and share with your friends and colleagues to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Stay tuned. Azure Data Factory is a cloud-based ETL tool. ETL is the abbreviation of extract, transform, and load. Beyond just moving and transforming data, Azure Data Factory enables orchestration, meaning you can define actions based on workflow outcomes. For example, if a process fails, send an email notification. If a process succeeds, trigger another pipeline for further data processing. One of the biggest advantages of Azure Data Factory is its auto-scaling capability. Unlike on-premise solutions that may face failures due to memory constraints, Azure Data Factory dynamically scales to handle both small and large datasets without performance issues. You can also schedule data pipelines to run at specific intervals, hourly, daily, monthly, or based on custom triggers, ensuring automated and seamless data processing. Here is the architecture of a data warehouse. In today's cloud-based data warehouse and business intelligence architecture, data resides in multiple sources, making direct analysis difficult. Querying data across different systems can be costly and may disrupt operational processes due to system limitations and restrictions. To address this, modern analytic systems extract data from various sources, transform it as needed, and load it into a central repository or target. This is the core purpose of ETL, or extract, transform, and load. We have used the terms ETL and ELT multiple times till now, which are not meant to use interchangeably. Let us understand the difference. In ETL, which stands for extract, transform, and load, data is transformed before being loaded into the target system. While ELT, which stands for extract, load, and transform, data is loaded in raw form first, and transformations occur during analysis. Regardless of the approach, Azure Data Factory supports both ETL and ELT, allowing seamless data movement and transformation at scale. How Data Factory fits into business intelligence architecture? Data is extracted from multiple systems. Data Factory performs either ETL or ELT and moves and processes data. Data is stored in Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure SQL Database, or blob storage, which are data warehouse or data lakes. Tools like Power BI or Azure Analysis Services help in data-driven decision-making by means of data analysis and visualization. Now, let's move on to the Azure Portal and begin our hands-on demonstration. Now we are in the Azure Portal. If you are a student or do not have Azure credentials, you can sign up for a free Azure account. It is pretty easy to create one. I am providing a link for the steps in the description, and you can even have the steps by asking it with a prompt to ChatGPT. Now let us start by creating a resource group. A resource group is a container that holds related resources for an Azure solution. If you have created previously, then you will have it here, or else type on the search bar. Select the first option. Then click Create either from here or from here. Since I am using free trial, the subscription type is mentioned as free trial. Now let us provide a name of our resource group. It should be globally unique. The name we have provided is AZ Demo DFRG. Now we have to choose the region. We need to choose a region nearer for the place we are located. Since I am located in India, I have chosen Central India. Now click the Next button and then Review and Create. Now click the Create button and then wait for a while. As you see on your screen, the resource group is created. You can also check it here and you will find your newly formed resource group. Let us proceed with creating a data factory. Since no data factory currently exists, and if this is our first time setting it up, we need to enter Data Factory in the search bar and select the first option from the results. We can click Create at either of these locations to begin the process of creating the data factory. Our subscription is of free trial and we need to select our resource group which we have already created. Let us now provide a name for the instance details which we have selected Demo Azure Data Factory for you and select our region as Central India since I am located in India. Let us leave the other option as default and click on Next. Let us keep on clicking on Next and leave the options as default for now. Finally, click on Review and Create. Now click on Create and wait for some time. As shown on the screen, the deployment is now in progress for creating the Azure Data Factory for us and it is now complete. You can check and find it here by clicking the resource group. Hit the refresh button and your newly created data factory is in front of you. We will also see the creation of other resources present in the resource group one by one. Let us now click on Data Factory. Once you click on Data Factory, another panel will appear. At the bottom, you will see the option to Launch Studio. Selecting this option will complete the setup, and we will be ready to begin working in Azure Data Factory. These steps outline the process of creating an Azure Data Factory from scratch. Once launched, we can start building and managing data workflows efficiently within the Azure Data Factory Studio.
If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.